Today I show you how I fixed temporarily my side view mirror. It got hit somehow and the glass on the mirror is broken. Not only the glass but the mechanism inside, it was completely broken. So I had to remove it. First I put this duct tape, really strong. I have this one, it's textile material, very strong duct tape. And I got a new mirror that is made for the next generation of Volkswagen Polo. Mine is 9N, but this mirror I got is for the next car model, which is very similar. The mirror is for Volkswagen Polo from 2006 to 2009, but my car is older. This one even has a heated mirror, so it's pretty cool, and some markings on it. I don't think it's original, but it seems compatible. And I will take out the mirror. I put the mirror like this before because when it fell it was just falling out. So this is a temporary fix. It doesn't look great, but it did work for a while until I got the new mirror. And that's the broken mirror. It actually, you can use it, but this adjusting mechanism is broken completely. When the mirror was hit, it broke the mechanism inside. To fix it properly, I have to find the whole mirror here with the assembly. It's not very expensive, but it's a bit difficult to find. So until I find it, this is the old mirror part. But it's not enough to change only this part because the whole thing is broken inside. And they have the same shape. And this is really how I put the tape on the mirror, on the back of the mirror. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it will all go inside the mirror anyway. And this is only temporary until you find the whole mirror assembly, side mirror. So that's how I put it. It's a bit fiddly here to arrange it. I don't know if you hear this noise from the left. There's this buzzing noise from my phone. It's recording a video and it's buzzing. Most important is to adjust it to your driving position because you can't adjust it. So before it's fixed, supposedly fixed permanently, I adjust the mirror so I can see properly. I will show you at the end of the video how you should adjust the mirror. And once the mirror is in the proper position where I can see it properly, now that it's ready, I can put more tape around it. All I'm doing now is put tape so that it can hold it in position, in place, but not too close on the mirror. I don't want to block the mirror. And I want to be able to see when I'm driving, so I'm driving safely basically. And before I can find the spare mirror, I will check some spare parts in these old cars yards. But so far the mirror is okay. Yeah, it was very cheap. Only the glass, and that line on the mirror doesn't do anything. It's supposed to make a curve in the view, and this is how you're supposed to see. You're supposed to see the handle on the door on your car just a little bit, and then outside, and you should see on the level on the road. Thanks for watching.